Good morning students, this is Monica from SKM Public School. Today we will discuss the topic Human Development Report. Okay. In previous videos we talk about the development and how we can measure the development. So we also talk about the income, that with average income we can measure the development. More income of the country means more development of the country. Okay, as World Bank divided the country of the world in three categories. First, higher income countries, then middle income countries, and then less income countries. Okay, higher income of the country means more development of the country. Middle income of the country means these countries are less developed compared to developed countries, and less income of the countries means these countries are underdeveloped countries. Okay, so here we will talk about the Human Development Report. Okay, who give this report, who publish this report, and what indicators are taken for the measurement of development in this report. Okay, so first of all we will talk about that what is Human Development Report and who published this. So this Human Development Report is published by UNDP. Okay, UNDP. It means United Nation Development. United Nation Development Program. Okay. So we can say that this UNDP is a body who measure or give indicators to measure the development of the country. Okay, there are different type of parameters that are used by this UNDP to measure the development of the countries. Okay, so now we will talk that no doubt income is the inadequate measure of development, but then also we cannot say that more income of the country means that is more developed. For example, we have taken the example of state in previous video, Haryana, Kerala, Punjab. Okay, so per capita income of Haryana was more compared to other states. But if we see the infant mortality rate, literacy rate, so that was more of Kerala compared to Haryana. It means if we measure the development in terms of health status, educational rate, then Kerala is developed state compared to Haryana. Okay, so this UNDP, United Nations Development Program, take different indicators. So what type of indicator are taken? Firstly, this HDR, Human Development Report, compare countries based on indicator. First indicator is educational level. Okay, this report take educational level of the country. Then second, health status. In health status, birth rate, infant mortality rate, these are taken. Then per capita income of the country. So these indicators are used by the Human Development Report to measure the development of the country. Okay. First, educational level, it means what is the literacy rate of the country. And what is literacy rate? The people above 7 years of age, those who know how to read and write. 7 साल और उससे ऊपर के लोग जो ये जानते हैं कि पढ़ना और लिखना, मीन्स वो पढ़ के और अपनी एटलीस्ट एक लैंग्वेज लिखना जानते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड लिटरेट. ओके, so literacy rate means the people who know how to read and write. It does not mean that they have completed their degree and all. It means only they know how to read and write. Then the second, health status. In health status we take infant mortality rate. Infant mortality rate, it means the dying of children before reaching the age 1. 1 साल से पहले ही जिन बच्चों की डेथ हो जाती है आउट ऑफ 1000 चिल्ड्रन, 1000 में से. ओके, दैट इज इन्फेंट मोर्टेलिटी रेट. ओके, सो दैट इज ऑल्सो कंसिडर. मोर इन्फेंट मोर्टेलिटी रेट मीन्स पुअर हेल्थ facility of the country, and less infant mortality rate means better health facility of the country. It means better health facility means more development of the country. Okay. If we talk about India, then India is having near about 34 out of 1000. It means 34 children dying out of 1000 before reaching the age of 1 year. Okay. And if we see the developed countries, then they have 7 or 10. It means they are developed countries compared to us. Okay. If we see the Canada, then Canada having 12 infant mortality rate. So that having better health facility, it means that is developed in term of health facilities. Then we have per capita income. So how we calculate per capita income? Total national income of the country, total income we can say, total national income or income of the country divided by total population. Divided by population. So that is average income of the country. Okay. So per capita income, or we can say average income, is taken to measure the development of the country. Okay. So human development report that is published by UNDP, and indicators, mainly 3 indicators are taken: educational level, it means literacy rate, health status, infant mortality rate, per capita income, it means we can say average income of the country. So UNDP, or we can say Human Development Report given by UNDP, that give the measurement of development of the countries on the basis of these indicators. Okay. So the rank is decided of the country. It means higher rank means less developed. Okay. Number 1 means more developed. And number 100 means less developed compared to number 1. Okay. So if we see the data, the Human Development Report given by UNDP in 2019, data of 2019, India having 131 rank. India having 131 rank out of 189 countries. Out of 189 countries. Okay. So India stand at the rank of 131 out of 189 countries in the report of human development. Okay. And do not get mixed World Development Report and Human Development Report. Okay. Human Development Report is published by UNDP and World Development Report is published by World Bank. Okay. So these two different terms. So students, we have discussed about the Human Development Report. Okay. And what indicators are taken by Human Development Report to measure the level of development of the country. Okay. So watch the video and also read from your book. Okay. And try to learn the indicators that are used by Human Development Report to measure the development of the country. Okay. If you face any problem, any doubt, you are free to ask. Thank you.